And here is another package for unboxing. This one is very nice, small phone accessory. I'm just kidding. It's just a couple of wireless chargers for USB Android type phones, like ones with micro USB. So you connect it to the micro USB port and you get wireless charging. So let's see. Yep, I bought a couple of these because I want to test a couple of projects. It seems nice. It's quite thin as well. The actual parts inside are not exactly centered, but I guess this won't matter much. So you do like this, connect it to your phone and put it in your case, and you receive QI charging for phones that don't really have that built in. Okay, input 5 volts, output 1 amp. Well, hopefully it goes anywhere close to 1 amp. As I told you, I bought a couple and they were very cheap, so I think okay. That's it for now, guys. I will of course test them out, see how it goes, and bye.